Today discuss about the topic Mathematics 2A Binomial Theorem Part 12. Today discuss 7 marks with this is 7 marks question, very important bit. Read the question. Prove that for any real number a comma d, here a comma d are any real number. Prove that a into c naught, a plus d into c1, a plus 2d into c2, and so on, a plus nd into cn is equal to 2a plus n into d into 2 power n minus 1. First of all, you have to take LHS. In this LHS part, total part is equal to sum S. S means sequence. S is equal to a into c naught plus a plus d into c1 plus a plus 2d into c2 plus on so on a plus nd into cn. Here c naught nothing but c naught nothing but nc naught, c1 nothing but nc1, c2 nothing but nc2, and so on, cn nothing but ncn. We can write in place of c naught nc naught, place of c1 nc1, in place of c2 nc2, in place of cn ncn. S is equal to a into nc naught plus a plus d into nc1 plus a plus 2d into nc2 plus on so on a plus nd into ncn. This suppose this is equation 1. In this equation 1, this is left to right sequence. Left to right sequence, a into nc naught, a plus d into nc1, a plus 2d into nc2, and so on, a plus nd into nc1. This equation 1, you can write right to left sequence, right to left sequence, right to left. 1 implies S is equal to a plus nd into ncn. This is the first term of right hand. What is the second term? Observe that this sequence here a plus 0d is there, a plus 1d, 1 increasing, a plus 2d, 1 increasing, next term a plus 3d, next term a plus 4d, next term a plus 5d, up to last term a plus nd. Here left to right, d terms are increasing 1 and only. Here right and here left to right increasing, right to left decreasing 1. Here a plus nd first term, second term is what? A plus decreasing 1 n minus 1 into d nc n minus 1. Correct or not? In place of n you can write n minus 1. Next term n minus 1 minus 1 n minus 2. A plus n minus 1 minus 1 n minus 2 into nc n minus 2 plus on so on. Last term is a into nc naught. Correct or not? A into nc naught. Once I can explain. First term of right hand a plus nd. Next term of right hand here last term. Here before term of this term is you are subtracting 1 in n. N subtracting 1 n minus 1. After that term, after before term n minus 1 minus 1 n minus 2. After before term n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, nothing but n minus 3. Here right to left decreasing 1 only, left to right increasing 1. That's why you can write this one is a sequence. After that here you know that NCR is equal to NCN minus R formula is there. Already explained starting binomial theorem, explanation, statement and prove that the binomial theorem, that problem you can explain in this formula. In this case you can write NC naught is equal to NCN. First term in the binomial expansion, first term left end first term equal to right end first term, already explained. Left end second term is equal to right end second term. Second term is ncn minus 1. Here left hand third term NC2, right in the third term, NCN minus 2, and so on. You can write in this values in this equation number 2. Values substituted in this equation number 2. Here, these values are using by the binomial theorem statement, and the concept important points are explained binomial theorem statement. That explanation you can write in this formula. Here standard formula is NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Comes in equation 2. 2 implies S is equal to A plus ND into NCN. You can write in place of NCN NC0 plus A plus N minus 1 into D, A plus N minus 1 into D, NCN minus 1. NCN minus 1 nothing but NC1 plus A plus N minus 2 into D into NCN minus 2. You can write NCN minus 2 value is NC2 plus and so on A into NC0. In place of NC0 you can write NCN. This is equation number 3. Understood or not? You can write here in this formula NC0 equal to NCN, NC1 equal to NCN minus 1, NC2 equal to NCN minus 2 up to undefined. In this formula you can write these all values substituted in equation 2. You get in place of NCN NC0, in place of NCN minus 1 NC1, in place of NCN minus 2 NC2, in place of NC0 NCN. Adding 1 and 3, adding 1 and 3, 1 plus 3, y implies what is the LHS part of 1? Yes. RHS part of 1? Yes. S plus S is equal to, first write down RHS part of equation 1, A into NC now plus A plus D into NC1 plus A plus 2D into NC2 plus and so on A plus ND into NCN. This is the RHS part of equation 1 plus RHS part of equation 3 is A plus ND into NC0 plus A plus N minus 1 into D, A plus N minus 1 into D into NC1 plus A plus N minus 2 into D NC2 plus and so on A into NCN. This is the RHS part of equation 3. You can add in LHS part S plus S, RHS part of equation 1 plus RHS part of equation 3. After that S plus S nothing but 2S. S plus S nothing but 2S. Next here NC0 is there, here NC0 is there. Here which one is common in these two terms? NC0. You can write A into NC0 plus A plus ND into NC0 plus here NC1 is there, here NC1 is there. You can write A plus D into NC1 plus A plus N minus D into NC1 plus next term is A plus 2D into NC2 plus A plus N minus 2 into D into NC2 plus and so on. Last term is what? A plus ND into NCN plus A into NCN. After that, in these two terms, which one is common? NC0, NC0 common. 2S is equal to NC0 common A plus ND plus in these two terms NC1 common A plus D is the first term, second term A plus N minus 1 into D plus in these two terms NC2 common in these two terms A plus 2D plus A plus N minus 2 into D plus and so on. Last term in these two terms NCN common A plus ND plus A plus ND plus A. 2S is equal to NC0 A plus A 2A plus N into D plus NC1 into here A plus D plus A plus N into D, ND minus 1 into D minus D, ND minus D plus NC2 into A plus 2D plus A plus N into D, ND minus 2 into D minus 2D, ND minus 2D plus on so on, NCN A plus A 2A plus ND, 2A plus ND. After that 2S is equal to NC naught 2A plus ND plus NC1 minus D plus D get cancelled, A plus A 2A plus ND plus NC2 plus 2D minus 2D cancel, A plus A 2A plus ND plus on so on, NCN 2A plus ND. Observe that first term 2A plus ND common, second term 2A plus ND common, third term also be common, last term also be common. This all sequence, which one is common? 2A plus ND is common. 2A plus ND is common. After that what? 2A plus ND common, NC naught plus NC1 plus NC2 on so on NCN. On so on NCN. After that here NC naught plus NC1 plus NC2 on so on NCN. This can be written as C naught plus C1 plus C2 plus on so on Cn is equal to 2 power n. This formula is the important formula. Already completed proof of this formula before classes. Okay, correct or not? Once I can explain here NC naught is there. NC naught nothing but C naught. NC1 nothing but C1. NC2 nothing but C2, on NCN nothing but Cn. This total value, sum of these binomial coefficients, this is the standard form of the binomial coefficients. Sum of the standard form of the binomial coefficients is equal to 2 power n. You can write in this place 2s is equal to 2a plus nd into, you can write in this place 2 power n. You can find s value. S is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n by 2. Nothing but s is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n into 2 power minus 1. Here denominator goes to numerator. Here power is 1 is there. That power sign is changed. Bases are equally adding the powers. 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. This is the value of f. S. What is the value of S here? S is what here? S is LHS part. Write down LHS part. A plus D, A C naught plus A plus D into C1 plus A plus 2D into C2 plus and so on. A plus ND into Cn. This is the value of S. This is the value of S. LHS part is the value of S is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. This is which part? RHS part or correct? RHS part or not? Check. What is RHS part here? 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. This is the RHS part. You get LHS is equal to RHS. Then given answer is LHS value equal to RHS value. This is a 7 marks question. Very important question. This A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus ND are arithmetic progression sequence. Assignment problems of in this model problem, before model problem. First assignment problem is 2C0 plus 7C1 plus 12 into C2 plus and so on. 5n plus 2 into Cn is equal to 5n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. Second problem, C0 plus 3 into C1 plus 5 into C2 plus and so on. 2n plus 1 into Cn is equal to 2n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Similarly, 2 into C0 plus 5 into C1 plus 8 into C2 plus and so on 3n plus 2 into cn equal to 3n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. These three problems are assignment problems. Do that these three problems similar before problem method. Here these problems are 7 marks questions. 7 marks this problem coming to IP examination 7 marks. Do that this total LHS part is yes. After that you can write left to right, right to left, and after that adding two sequences you get adding two sequences you get NCR equal to n minus r formula using you get this answer. Shortcut formula is there. Shortcut is what is the before problem? A plus d into c1 plus a plus 2d into c2 plus and so on. A plus nd into cn is equal to 2a plus nd into 2 power n minus 1. This is the last problem statement. This proof can be already this proof completed. That's a problem proof. Similarly do that to these three problems 7 marks question. Suppose this problem coming to 2 marks. You can use this formula. In this formula, first in equation first problem substituted a value to d value 5. A value to d value 5. 2c0 here ac0 is there. 2c0 plus 2 plus 5 7c1 plus 2 plus 2 into 5 2 into 5 10 10 plus 2 12c2 plus and so on. A value 2 plus n into d value 5 2 plus 5n nothing but 5n plus 2 cn is equal to 2 into a value 2 2 2s are 4 d value 5 5 into n 5n 5n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. You get only one step you get answer. This is shortcut method 2 marks question. But this problem coming to 7 marks, you can do that first problem model. Here second problem you can write a value 1 d value 2. A value 1 1c0 d value 2 1 plus 2 3 1 plus 2 into 2 4 1 plus 2 1 plus 4 5 and so on. 1 plus 2 into n 1 plus 2n or 2n plus 1 is equal to 2 into a 2 into 1 2 plus n into d 2 into n 2n 2n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 2. Similarly in third question a value 2 d value 3 substituted in this equation 2 into c0 plus 2 plus 3 into c1 plus 2 plus 2 into 3 into c2 plus and so on. 2 plus 3 into n into cn is equal to 2 into what is the value of a value 2 plus n value n d value 3 3n into 2 power n minus 1. Simplify this answer. 2c0 5c1 3 2s are 6 6 plus 2 8c2 8 into c2 and so on. 3n plus 2 into cn is equal to 2 2s are 4 3n plus 4 into 2 power n minus 1. You get a third answer. This is a shortcut method in before problem. This method you can use 2 marks question or JEE Mains AAEE or MSET point of view. You can use this formula. But IP model you can do that first model problem. First problem model you can do total answer.